Hi. So the day has finally come that I'm done with these differentials. Here's the front one, all ready to go. I don't have this wheel spacers on it, but I don't want to bang them up or put the disc brake rotor on there. I don't want to damage it trying to get them in underneath. Here's the old Sears hub lockers, and there's also, like I said, a Lock-Right locker in there. All new studs, everything. I got the hub unlocked right now. And I'm gonna lift that one off first, get it on this little cradle I got here to get it in under here. So that one's all done, and here's the rear end. I just gotta, it's already torqued down, I just gotta put Carter keys in there. I got the little cap soaking. They had like about 9 coats of paint on that little cap. But that's good. I get this little rolling table I made out of this Harbor Freight dolly. Worked good though, I can't complain. This thing, because of the garage this size, you know, you don't have much room, you know, in here. So yeah, at least now I could get this thing here, get this rolled out. I'll come back after I get these things lifted off and get them underneath the Jeep. This is what you do when you're by yourself. So I got this all moved out away from the wall. See, I have this thing on wheels so I can move it around. Get this all worked out here. But, so I was looking at this Kaiser Willy. This is what you get. You get your leaf springs. These are the rears, those are the fronts. And then I got the complete suspension package. They get all the right U-bolts, stuff. I mean, there is this stuff must have been in storage. He has everything. Give you all the bolts for the thing. And then these are shackles. So 2 of these shackles have 2 tubes with right-hand threads. Then 2 of these, this is a left-hand thread, that's a right-hand thread. That's a left, that's a right. actually be honest with you, I'm gonna have to go online and see on Kaiser Willys website and see which one goes where. But they actually kind of cut their a thread, like an indented, not like really cutting a thread in there. But you get 4 shock absorbers, your bushings for these. These are the shock plates. These don't come with the kit. But as you can see, one is kind of like a satin green. One's a flat green. One's just in red oxide primer. And one is painted black. This one come with a bolt. That one didn't. But that shouldn't be a problem. I'll paint them all. That's the reason I buy this stuff, 5 cans at a time. So I paint everything black. Oh, and you also get cherry, Jolly Rancher, and a lemon head. That was in with this stuff in its own little bag. So it didn't get, I guess, contaminated. But there it is. I'm gonna start getting at that. It's gonna be nice to get away from all that grease and cleaning parts. Now I'm just working with new stuff. So we'll get all that together. And I'll start getting these leaf springs on here, getting these rear ends anchored in here. I just noticed, oh no, yeah, I gotta cut all those. These engine mounts aren't gonna work with the V6. I don't think this battery box either. So I'm gonna have to cut that stuff all off. I forgot about that. All right, well, I'm gonna get moving at this. And we got the leaf springs in. Everything's in and tight with the funky shackles. Those one-sided shackles. I mean, I really didn't want to use them, but I used them because I had them. So, but everything's in there. This front end in here. Had a little fight, you can see, when getting that shackle on there. But everything's in there tight. Now I guess I gotta cut this battery box off and sit the tub on here. How am I gonna do that? I don't know. Maybe I'll hang something from the ceiling to pick it up or something. But I gotta get the tub on here so I can see where the motor's gonna sit, so I know what to do with these motor mounts, because they're not gonna work with the V6. So, well, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching the video. And I picked up on Craigslist this super winch with the control, everything. And it come with this Jeeper Man bumper. I mean, I did some measuring. I think it's gonna fit on there. I'll have to do some cutting, but it's a heck of a bumper. Got the Fairlead in it already. So, yeah, I'll be putting that on the front. We'll get rid of that sheet metal bumper. That was the only thing about this one. It come from the Philippines. The bumpers on the old Jeep were real heavy gauge. Like almost a piece of U-channel. And this is just basically, I don't know, hair above sheet metal, I guess. Like maybe 18 gauge. That's all these bumpers are, so. This one I might just make something heavier to cover it in the back. And then, yeah, go with that. But these are basically not very heavy. Thanks for watching the video.